These guys are Polo Benchmade alligator, real genuine alligator. Alright, today's vlog would be how to clean shoes with Alicia. We shall see what we can do. Alright, so do these shoes today. As you can see, we bought them for $18.99, half off at Slavers. I mean Savers, my bad. These are like this weird ass fabrics. Right now we're just trying to make it look decent. When your shoes look better online, or you at least do some light cleaning, they will sell faster and for a bit more, a little more of a premium, which is nice. We're going for it. Right here, I tried to just burn that off with a lighter. Good. And since these are like this weird fabric, we'll just get a little easy cleaner. Find this online, Amazon, perfect. I'm not gonna affiliate link it. Do the soles. This back little part here. Boom. These are easy, so those are done. We'll put them into the box. Next to these women's A6 gel Nimbus. These go probably on 30-35 bucks. I think I bought these at a garage sale for $2, I'm pretty sure. Pretty good condition. Watch out for the nose here, sometimes it looks bad. And right here where that little toe or big toe, even on the inside, when you find these shoes, make sure you look for that because this will be worn out and have a hole. For these kind of shoes, you'll see a hole here, here, and then test the bottom. They should have that flex, just in case they're not dried out. Arizona heat, if you live in Arizona or any place hot, they'll dry out fast. So we'll clean these. These are in good condition again. I usually lights them up, tie them. Boom. Tie them up. Hit them with that easy cleaner. Just make sure they look clean. Usually this white kind of gets dirty, but they're already in pretty good shape. So a quick one too. Right here a bit. I usually like 2 fingers. It helps it clean, gives a little more force. Done. These just kind of popping up. Run out some of that fuzz. A6 done. Some redhead duck boots. You can tell they're a duck boot by this bottom, right? Really good condition too. Obviously, the better condition, the less work we have to do. These are, pretty sure these are from a estate sale, if not a garage sale. So I probably bought them for like $2-3 bucks. In your listings, when you say you clean them, make sure that it is in the listing state that it's as is. It's the way that they're photoed is the way you'll get them. Because even if there's a bit of dirt, if you say you cleaned them, they can still return them and eBay will side with the other people because eBay does not chill.
Does that go for pretty much anything you sell as is, so the customer knows?
Yeah, as is, and then just state in the thing as is because, so we sold like this Walkman a couple days ago. $100 Walkman, broken, but it's rare, so people will buy it for $100. And it said the radio worked, which the radio did work, we tested it. But the guy complained, since we said the radio worked, he could just say the radio didn't work, and we have no recourse to that, right? So
Okay.
eBay just doesn't care, and it's bad anyway. Except for their bottom dollar. I'd probably burn this little thing up. Tag. Because it's on the name.
Sweet.
So these are, you can tell these are cycling shoes by the bottoms. They have this little peg where you put your foot into it. These will always be pretty much worn pretty heavily. But since they are still wearable, people will still wear them and still buy them just because they can use them for cycling and they know they're gonna get trashed. So, like this stuff is probably not gonna come off very easy, so we can try, give it a quick rub down. But if not, on the white it's coming off, not bad. But any specialty shoes or anything specialty in general usually sells for a lot more money. So the Cunningham estate, Alicia,
Yeah.
it has that TEU of stuff from the 70s and 80s, stuff from the 20s and 30s that hasn't been opened since the 70s and 80s, and it has a storage container that I'm pretty sure is packed full of weapons and other items.
Oh my god. It's gonna be exciting.
Should be interesting.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be fun.
Yes, and these are, it's hard to come off. Try to do your best with these, try to get a little bit of dirt off so the photo's better. The whole point is to make this photo better and say you cleaned it of some sort, so you get that higher value, and it kind of differentiates us from the competitors in a sense, right? Let's see, look at this. So it has that deep gash. So I use just shoe glue for any sort of gashes. Just go on Amazon, type in shoe glue, you'll find it. It works. Again, we're not going to give you affiliate links because I am not down with affiliate links. I just put it on my finger. Sauce it on. Give these a firm press down. It should cure. We'll do these sandals next. You guys, if you're buying stuff on sandals, they are fantastic flips because people usually sell them very, very cheap and there's not a lot on the market and they go very quickly, especially during the summertime when people really want sandals and flip-flops and stuff like that. It's brand name, Mephisto. You can see that. It's Mephisto. It's in good condition, so it'll be quick, easy clean. It'll be quick 30, 35 bucks. I think I spent I think it's 7 bucks. 7 bucks half off, so $3, not bad. These guys are Polo Benchmade alligator, real genuine alligator, right? Polo Benchmade is the highest brand that Polo does. These alligators, I think I bought these for Dos El Darlos, and they will go for 100 bucks. T-Brown, what size shoe do you wear? Try these bad boys on.
They're totally gonna match.
Benchmade Polo crocodiles.
Wow.
That's swagger.
any stains, guys, use alcohol.
What up, fam? Yeah, so it was a little how-to video on how to clean shoes to make them sell for more on eBay. When you sell the shoes, you always want to say they're cleaned, or you want to clean them first to make them look better in the photos. Second, because people will be willing to pay more because then they do not have to clean the shoes, right? We'll have the names and the brands of the items we use in the description so you guys can buy them on Amazon and eBay. Usually eBay is a little bit cheaper for stuff. There's like bubble wrap and those mailers and whatnot, but a lot of people don't like giving you that because they want your affiliate links and they want your money through the affiliate links, which my opinion is not my favorite thing to do, but to each their own. Yeah, so we'll give you those links, and then if you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll be more than happy to answer questions of how to make some cash on shoes. Shoes are the best apparel by far. Again, like, subscribe, and comment, share. Yeah, catch you guys later. Peace.